Hanover Western, designated as Constituency number 35, was one of the 32 constituencies fixed in the new constitution granted to Jamaica in 1944. The constituency has featured in all 17 contested parliamentary general elections from 1944 to 2020. The current Member of Parliament is Tamika Davis, a representative of the Jamaica Labour Party, who defeated the PNP's Ian Hales in the 2020 general election. Hales held the seat for 3 terms, having first won it in 2007. The first person to occupy the seat was Felix Veach, who was elected in 1944. He was a Baptist minister and medical practitioner. He first represented the People's Political Party, founded by Marcus Garvey, before serving as an independent and then later joining the Jamaica Labour Party. He served as the first Speaker of the House of Representatives. The Jamaica Labour Party retained the seat for 2 more terms, with William Dixon winning in 1949 and 1955. The seat changed hands in 1959 when Lascelles Murray of the PNP won. He was defeated in the 1962 polls by the Jamaica Labour Party Augustus Stanhope. The JLP retained the seat in 1967 when Cleveland Stanhope was elected. The PNP's Roy Robinson won and held the seat for 2 terms across the 1972 and 1976 elections. He was defeated by the JLP's Horace Chang in 1980. Chang held on to the seat in 1983 after the People's National Party boycotted the election. The PNP regained the seat in 1989 and held it across 7 elections. It started with Benjamin Clare, who held the seat for 3 terms from 1989 to 2002, when Anson Ralston served the constituency. Ian Hales was elected on the PNP's ticket in 2007, and he held the seat until he was defeated in 2020 by Tamika Davis, as was previously mentioned. The constituency covers the 4 electoral divisions of Caldwell, Green Island, Lucy, and Riverside. As of February 2025, there are 97 polling divisions with approximately 34,621 registered voters in the constituency.